elevators here at the Tidal Health Medical Building 3 Ocean Pines campus in Ocean Pines, Maryland. There's a scenic one, and there's an internal one. First, we're gonna ride the scenic one. Smoky. And there's the elevator machine over there. Let's go up to 2. Now we look outside. Yes. Here are 2. Those are the ones you go pray for that. Okay, back to 1. What the? Looks like they have a different color mattress on this elevator. We do our cabio. Nice cab. I like it. Certificates on the bed, emergency call button, and the capacity for 100 pounds. Now we ride the internal elevator. Yep, right, so, see? Now we go up to 2 again. Here we are. Let's go back to 1. Let's go get our cab. Nice cab, and it's kind of big. Certificates on there too. Versatile button. Capacity 4,000 pounds. 4,000 pounds? I think I'm gonna have a look at this. Of how it looks like. Okay. Cab looks like. I like it. Let's go see the capacity of this one. Oh, 4,000 pounds too. I love small. I'm trying to get and see what it'll look like. I knew I'd find this hydraulic motor. I like it. And that's it for me.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.